Sun Valley area, and we are heading up Trail Creek Road, heading to Copper Basin to go climb Copper Basin Knob tomorrow morning. The peak's about 10,700 feet high. There's very little information on it. As a matter of fact, I know the summit block is class 3, but I haven't even seen a photo of the summit block. So it'll be interesting finding our route and taking on that challenge in the morning. It is 7 a.m. and supposedly, according to the weather forecast, in the 20s outside, and neither one of us are too excited about going outside to get this climb of Copper Basin Knob going. So this might be a pretty short video. You just get to watch us sit in the tent all weekend. Alright, never mind, it's time. We are at our trailhead for Copper Basin Knob. This is your typical eastern Idaho trailhead. As you can see, there's some cows there. Got the requisite cow manure as well. Although this one's a little different. We do have some trees and even some green grass. So things are looking up for the hike already. We are on our first break after just over 50 minutes. Gained about 1,000 feet. It was kind of flat to start out with. Beautiful day. That was Carrie taking pictures of mountain bluebirds. Just a look at the drainage we're coming up. Bad lighting, but that's our peak over there to the left. And as you can tell, it's a little bit windy, so might make for poor recording later. Top of Copper Basin, looking over at Atlas Peak and Big Lake. Swinging around towards Smiley Peak, the ramp and W. These are the White Knob Range. Shelly, limestone, Cavan, all those. There's the Lost Rivers right over the top of Carrie's Head. Copper Basin there. And the Pioneer starting with Big Black Dome, Altair, Stanhope, all those. A little hazy today, but not too bad. All the way back where we started. Descending Charcoal Creek Canyon, having just climbed Copper Basin Knob at 10,785 feet. Great day with all the good scenery. Heard elk bugling for several hours. Saw a mountain goat. And probably the coolest thing was the final 100 feet of that summit block on the peak were really, really fun. Good handholds, just clean rock, good climbing.
It's getting a little toasty on our way out. But Copper Basin is one of my favorite places to be. There's great fishing, and there's lots of peaks to climb, and the scenery is by far my favorite. Thanks for coming along.